How to change your privacy settings on Threads so you can control who can view and interact with your account. First, open the Threads app and tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the menu icon in the top right corner and select Privacy. Here you'll find several privacy options. To make your account private, turn on the Private Profile option. This allows only your approved followers to see your posts and interact with your account. You can also manage tags and mentions to choose who can mention or tag you. Set it to everyone, profiles you follow, or no one, depending on your preference. You can also review options like muted accounts, blocked profiles, and profiles you follow to further customize your privacy and control your experience on Threads. Once you've adjusted the settings you want, your changes are saved automatically. That's it. You've successfully changed your Threads privacy settings and improved your account's privacy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.